everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I got a package from Bountiful Baby. So this is our avatar baby that I will be painting, so we're going to open that up. So we are going to use this little sword. Oops. Here, come. Let me just take. Alright, let me twist it around like this.
Oh, don't want that to...
Okay. Gotta open this up. This is not working. Okay. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, let's see if we can rip it. No. Oh. I can't.
Let me try.
Okay. We're gonna have someone else try. Be careful, you don't want to stab the kit. There we go. Gotta start. I'll probably just edit this because I'm pretty sure we showed the address. Okay. Alright, everybody, so we're not gonna show that. So the first thing we got here is our Angel Soft. So this is for Avatar Baby. The little body. Yes, the body. The neck ring. Is there anything else in there? Oh, yeah. Okay. This is our little alien baby.
Avatar.
Oh, yeah. Avatar Baby. Alien. I don't know why I got to saying alien. Probably like a game I've played.
Or they both start with A.
Yeah, they both start with A. I'm like, oh. So, her kit name is Avery. So, cute. Here are her feet. And here are her arms. Look at those. Cute little hands. OMG, look at her face! I think she has a perfect face to have be an avatar. Yeah. So, here she is in all her little glory. So, here are her legs. So, all of her little limbs here. And then, so we got a body. And I bought some more Angel Soft because I was not sure if I was going to have enough. So, now that I have some of that, I got to make this quick because I turned the fan off to record this. And it is piping. The body. And the neck ring. So, I think that's all I ordered. Alright, so this was a super short video, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Sorry it was so short, I just didn't have a lot in the package to show y'all. A thrift store is coming at you. I've just been so busy the last few days, and I have to catch up on painting and everything. But I will actually do something for y'all real quick. I will show you an update of the twin A's. Get that out of the way. Got this big bag of twin A's. So, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, you're going to get them confused. But this one's in a separate bag inside. So, I haven't done one of the twin A's limbs much yet. So, we don't have to look at those. But, here's her face. Here's her face. So, we got her face and her belly plate done. Or not done, but working on. Her head is done with her hair. So y'all can see. Her hair needs to get darkened a little, but other than that, she's done with her head. Her belly plate's also done. And her limbs will be getting finished soon and compared to any other limb. And here are her other limbs. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!